$1,000,000, a million ideas. I got that shit pondering, motherfucker. Yeah, I got long money, short shit, motherfucker. I escort you out of the fucking building. You know the feeling when I'm stacking money to the ceiling fan, and shit hits that fan and I go off. Y'all niggas know I'm not soft. I am harder than any motherfucker bartering with me. I'ma hit you swiftly to the pistol grip, yeah, motherfucking tip Lee. I be Jet Li on my ninja shit. I'm about to get the clip and make a ninja bitch. No pension, ho. I'm about to get the shit. Did I mention? No. Cause I ain't saying shit. This nigga just make circle pizza. He's about to eat he's about to eat that shit in his top hat. I'm like a rat in the sewer. I pursue a bitch right through ya. I'm motherfucking throwing up. Cause the liquor is quicker than the sicker shit. And I got that sinning shit. Yeah, silly bitch trying to get up on me. I'ma pop a pill, then we about to see who a real OGB, original gangster. I ain't no prankster, motherfucking lank ya. Yeah, I'm an anchor. Yeah. The fuck?
Pamela Anderson, dude.
Niggas got Pamela. He's about to damage ya with the dick. Call it cabbage, bruh. Niggas got that fucking STD, but that shit stands for sucking trees in the nuts. You niggas getting stuck in the rut. Niggas shut the fuck up. You ain't trying to say shit. I sprayed that clip, then we leave, and you know I'm clever for a leaf clover, cause I'm getting lucky. Nigga butt beat. Yeah, what you know about that beef? Eat, and then we fucking leave. Yeah, I'm shaking all the fucking leaves. Earthquaking, baking up, I'm waking shit, I'm aching up. Yeah, I am so fresh, so deaf. I'ma take your life like death. Put you in the cemetery, then I bury ya. I will carry ya, then I'll marry your girlfriend, bruh. I ain't trying to do shit, but nigga, I am good at seducing. Medusa, turn your fucking bitch into stone, and then I get stoned, and then I get a bone. Yeah.